Fran from Kiama. How did you go at the Blooms Oil Painting Workshop by the looks of it? Look at these paintings, look amazing. Midnight Magnolia, so beautiful. Lovely dusky, pinky, lemony rose.
Look, I just loved it, and I learnt so much from a master painter.
Oh, thank you.
Who was so generous with all her tips and tricks and systems, and really appreciate it. I didn't realise I would learn so much in such a short time.
Wow. So 4 days, 3 paintings. Is that a bit surprising?
It is, absolutely. It is.
Shocking even, maybe?
No, it's been absolutely a wonderful experience.
Thank you. I noticed how, you know, it was lovely to work with the oils and the blending went on well.
I think oils and learning how to do the underpainting in acrylic first, I think was an absolute, wonderful thing to learn. And then to use the wonderful oils on top was a great bonus.
Wonderful.
Really enjoyed it.
Thank you, darling. It's been great to have you.
Thank you, Jo.
Thank you so much, Fran.